welcome to another Mario Party 7 minigame review. Last time we had one of our most conflicting reviews yet with Cardinal Roll, which I had a hard time placing, so I decided screw it and just place it at the very top of 3 because why the hell not? Today though, we finally take a break from the 2v2 minigames with a free-for-all minigame. And to let you know, this is our third one and we're 17 reviews in. Jeez. This one being Catchy Tunes, so let's get to it, shall we? So here's how you play this minigame. You and the other 3 players are inside, well, are on an island that is filled with musical stuff. And notes are falling from the sky at you. Well, at all of you guys. And your job is to collect one of each note. First to do so in the 30-second time period wins. That's it. Although, if you think it's that simple, well, get ready for the fun. Because this minigame is flat out chaotic. Because the arena is just super small. And the notes are going to be going all over the place. Which just make things way, way more intense. It just perfectly works as a minigame, if you ask me. Like, I can see someone not liking this because, well, it's too simple. However, this is literally the genre I like to call taking a simple concept and just driving the intensity of it up to the max. And that's really what Mario Party can feel like and where it strives at its best. Because, well, even if you collect the same note, it doesn't flat out punish you. It doesn't reward it to you. However, the thing that perfectly matters is that if it's a note that the other opponents need, that's perfect since, well, they can't get that note at the moment. They can get it later, but this delays it, which leaves a chance for you to win, which can really make this minigame intense if all 4 players know what they're doing. Also, one thing I like is the perspective, because, well, it perfectly fits this minigame and making it way harder than it actually should be. See, I'm telling you, when you take something as simple as this and just add the right ingredients, you get a minigame like this, which is really just something I can like. Heck, I think the overall thoughts have something to say about it as well. So let's get to them, shall we? Overall, Catchy Tunes is the definition of a minigame that perfectly fits in a Mario Party. Because it takes the simple thing. Take a simple as hell concept, like Catchy Tunes, and just trying to get, like, the same amount, like, one of each note, and just having it go all over the place. Because, well, even if you collect the same note, it basically just means that the others don't get another note, which just perfectly works. Like, you just try to screw each other over just for the simple fact of you wanting to win some coins, which is just perfection. It just feels like Note to Self in another way. Heck, this feels like it's follow-up. It's like a follow-up to Note to Self in some ways, and some ways I want it to be completely different. The perspective also makes things pretty difficult. It just fits perfectly. Like, if I really had to choose a minigame that properly fits Mario Party out of all 17 of these minigames so far, it's easily this one. 5 stars for sure. We finally found our first one. Jeez, that took so long. Let's see if the next one could follow that up right then. Clock Watchers is our next minigame, and I'll see you guys then.
Catchy Tunes!